Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play games with Parsec. First, download and install the Parsec application on both your gaming computer and the device you wish to play from. Next, create a free Parsec account and log in on both machines to link them together. It is crucial to have a stable internet connection, ideally with at least 20 megabits per second upload speed for the best experience. To host a game, open Parsec on your gaming PC and go to the Computers tab. You will see your host machine listed there. Simply select the Share button next to your computer to generate a unique invitation link. Before sharing, you can adjust host settings such as resolution, bandwidth, and input options to ensure optimal performance for your guests. If you are joining a friend's game, open Parsec on your client device and paste the invitation link they provided into the Join field. Your friend, who is hosting, will then need to accept your connection request to grant you access to their desktop. Once connected, you will be able to control their computer and play games together seamlessly, as if you were right there. To ensure the best possible gaming experience, we highly recommend using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi on both your host and client devices. Additionally, close any unnecessary background applications running on both machines to free up resources. Finally, take some time to experiment with Parsec's video and network settings to find the ideal balance for your specific setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.